Hello everybody, beautiful day. And today it's July 1st. And I got over here Escarole and Beans. Look how beautiful escarole. The escarole, you gotta make sure the wash really good, you got a lot of sand. The beans, I cook myself with the beans. I put on soak last night, and I was cook it today. And we got a tomato, plum tomato. I gotta use a lot of garlic. And we got over here Italian hot sausage, and we use flake hot pepper. Now, for start, we gotta start to go on the stove. Cause we gotta start with the sausage. And before I go on the stove, we got the stove, it's hot. I want to cool off a little bit. Salute, e chin chin with a little wine. Okay, I bring the sausage on the stove. And let's put the gas on over here. And I got over here the water for the escarole. Got the water boil already. Okay, let me take the cover off. All right. And now this is for the sausage. I like to put on the sausage a little oil, not too much oil. By after I gotta use a little extra oil. But now, a little bit like this, I want to saute the sausage. At the same time, I want to bring over here on the table, under my stove, I got the garlic. I got the tomato. Now the tomato, I take the skin out and the seeds out.
Hey Bill, thanks for the stars. Appreciate that.
Okay, now I bring the beans over here. And I put it on low. Okay? And salute e chin chin, and thank you so much for the stars. Chin chin, salute. See, when you cook the beans, okay, you know, buy on a can, look how beautiful look at these beans. Look at that. Okay? It come out really, really good. Okay, now it's the time of the sausage. And let's put the sausage first. Okay. And we cook a little bit of the sausage. I hope everybody do a good job on the 4th of July. I think it gotta be a lot of barbecue. I hope it's a beautiful day. This is another thing. Okay. Look at the sausage. I do like this. Break out a little bit. Now, this escarole, it go over here. Let me raise a little bit of the flame. And I put a little salt, not too much, to the escarole.
If you're enjoying the show, please hit the share button and hit the like button. That really helps us out a lot. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Today it's nice. This is a really good dish. The escarole and beans and the sausage. Chin chin. Salute everybody. Okay, look at the sausage, how beautiful look. And this dish, you don't take it too long. Okay? Like 15 minutes, it's done. 15, 20 minutes. Okay. Now I got this flake of hot pepper I want to put. It's the most spice, the can. Okay. Now we got the garlic. The garlic, I slice little thin piece. Okay.
And just to remind everybody, we're live every single Monday. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified next week when we go live.
Okay, look at that. Okay, now it's the time to put the escarole. Look how beautiful this escarole. Really, really good.
John said he made your shrimp scampi recipe and it came out phenomenal.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, I'll keep this over here. Alright. Now, I'd like you to put in the beans. Look at that. Let me drain this. Okay. All right. Okay, nice.
Hey, Mike Bell and Debbie, thank you for the stars.
Thank you very much, everybody. Now, the escarole will make it dip a little bit like that.
Can you just explain what you have in the orange pot again?
Over here, I was to put a drop oil first, and I put a sausage. I cook the sausage a little bit, and I put the garlic. After the garlic, I put the beans. And now, after the beans, it comes the tomato.
Fresh tomatoes.
Yes, it's a plum tomato. Plum tomato, like I say, I was to take the skin out and the seeds out. And now, we use a little salt, not too much salt, because the sausage it's salty already. Okay. A little black pepper. Okay. And let's make sure that escarole.
Facebook is being a little nice to us today. We might hit 1,000 people. We'll see.
I hope so. Now, the escarole, so you need a little extra water. I don't was using the beans, because the beans it's a lot of mustache. If I need a little bit extra water, I use the escarole water. It's the fat of the sausage. Oh, this is the garlic I cook the beans. And this is so good, I don't throw away, I keep over here.
Oh, thank you for the stars, Adele. We got 3 more people, 997. And
Come on, go.
oh, it went down.
It was gone down? Oh, no.
It was close. It was close. Oh, we're back up again. 5 more. Oh, 1,000. You know how long it's been?
Thank you very much. Thank you. And for the 1,000, I want to do salute chin chin the 1,000 people. Chin chin, salute.
Thank you, everybody.
It made me very happy.
Bill said, how many cups of escarole?
Oh, this he gotta fuck up. Fuck up this escarole. Oh, it's a lot.
4 cup.
4 or 5.
I don't know.
Okay, now.
Almost.
It's a nice crunchy.
Al dente.
And now, the escarole gotta cook together with this. We turn off the gas. And I want to put it close over here. Like I say, I need a little water. I use the escarole water. All right. And we move out this parts of over here. We put it back. And now we gotta take care of this one.
Angelo said, "Hey, Pasquale, finally we see you again. Great to have you back."
I'm over here all the time.
What day?
Huh? Every day.
What day do you go live?
Live we go on Monday, 6 to the 6 story.
Every single Monday, everybody.
Everybody. I'll tell you the truth, say we got a lot of people, maybe we go 2 times a week live.
Hey, appreciate that, Mike, for the stars. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for the star. Chin chin. Salute. Okay, now we'll cook a little bit with the escarole and sausage. Look how beautiful looking now.
Yep, Eastern time. Thank you. 6 to 6:30 p.m. Eastern time on Monday.
Okay, 6 to the 6 story. Yes.
Looks good.
Okay, now. I want to taste.
So what do you guys think of this? Does it look good? Would you eat this?
You don't need no salt. It's a spice good. If this we eat with a nice bread. Look how beautiful bread we got over here. You see this one, miss? I was a take care today, this over here. I was it.
Amy, Frank, and Janice, thank you for the stars. Oh, shoot, there's more. Frank, I think I saw.
Okay, look at that.
Can you put pasta in there?
Yeah, you can do pasta. I was at the beach yesterday, and I find somebody said, "Oh, Pasquale, oh, nice to see you." I said, "Oh, thank you very much." He said, "Oh, for 4th of July, boy, I gotta make beans salad, pasta salad, everything." I said, "Oh, it's good. You make a beans salad." I said, "It's really, really good." I said, "But when on the 4th of July, I say you put the music with the radio, everything." She said, "Oh yeah, we like the music with the radio. Everybody be happy." I said, "Well, I tell you the truth. When I make a beans salad, everything, I turn off the music." She said to me, "Why?" "The beans is making music by yourself." "The beans is making music." I said, "Yeah." Oh, now I understand what you want to say. Oh, you understand it now, huh? Okay.
Does everybody know what he means? What kind of music is it like?
It's a music like when you play, say, "E gumbara, che sai suonare, o frescariella, e come se suona, o frescariella." It's a music like when you play, say, "E gumbara, che sai suonare, o frescariella, e come se suona, o frescariella." It's a music like when you play, say, "E gumbara, che sai suonare, o frescariella, e come se suona, o frescariella." It's a music like when you play, say, "E gumbara, che sai suonare, o frescariella, e come se suona, o frescariella." It's a music like when you play, say, "E gumbara, che sai suonare, o frescariella, e come se suona, o frescariella." It's a music like when you play, say, "E gumbara, che sai suonare, o frescariella, e come se suona, o frescariella." It's a music like when you play, say, "E gumbara, che sai suonare, o frescariella, e come se suona, o frescariella." It's a music like when you play, say, "E gumbara, che sai suonare, o frescariella, e come se suona, o frescariella." It's a music like when you play, say, "E gumbara, che sai suonare, o frescariella, e come se suona, o frescariella." It's a music o frescarella e compare che sai suonare o trombone e come si suona o trombone. That's the music in make the beans.
So it's the fazul
Yeah,
instrument?
The beans it make band. Okay, look at a nice look now. All right, look.
Time to taste.
Look, it's good to the not for everything. Look at that. And now this, it's everything to cook. I want to take one piece of the sausage. Okay. And the escarole, it's cooked. The sausage, it's cooked. The sausage is spiced. All right. Now, I want to take a dish, and I want to take, we really load the gas.
What do you think makes more music, Escarole and Beans or Taco Bell?
Taco Bell. Okay. Nice. I'll take my fork, my wine, and the bread. Boy, look at this nice bread. Look at the hole.
Swiss cheese.
Look at that. Beautiful. And the bread you dip. Look at this, Carol. Nice. Perfecto. Perfect. Thank you very much to see this video. It came out really good. And this you can make for the 4th of July. Hello, nobody home. Chin chin, salute everybody. And we see next time. Chin chin, salute. And thank you so much for the stuff.
And we'll see you next week on Monday around the same time.
Same time on Monday all the time.